Identity is a symbol of resilience. Life's lessons are a process of growth and maturity to discover who we truly are. Insun Medal, Insun Madangan represents the identity of Sumedang. This noble value reflects the spirit of the Sundanese people, born to enlighten others. Together, we shape this catalytic temperament into a pusher budaya Sunda. I'm Dicky Andhika Pebriana, a young generation from Sumedang, here to share my journey of self-discovery. I was born, raised, and nurtured as a village boy, starting my life journey from zero. In elementary school, I was introduced to the world of public speaking to fulfill school needs, an experience that built the first spark of courage within me. This journey continued through middle and high school, where I gained more experiences and life lessons. Motivated by a desire to become a young activist, I interacted with many people, shaping the person who I am today. Finally, the day came when I was honored to be chosen as Jajaka Pinilih, Sumedang. The distance between Sumedang and the place where I currently pursue my education has never diminished my spirit or pride in fulfilling my duties as a tourism ambassador of Sumedang. Equipped with knowledge as an accounting student with a focus on creative economy and experience as a speaker in various events, I had the courage to create Riksa, a social project in the sector of creative economy, specifically games development, which combines educational aspects of Sumedang's potential with the joy of playing card games. This project adopts the noble Sundanese philosophy, ngaraksa, ngariksa, tur ngamumule budaya Sunda, aiming to raise awareness among the people to preserve, maintain, and enhance the potential of Sumedang. Combining courage, experience, passion, and destiny is an essential process in discovering my true identity. Today, I hold firmly to the principle of becoming someone impactful for society. However, this journey is far from over. The quest to discover my true self will continue until the very end of my life.